So tell us more about your job. Like they want to know, like when you first got to your job, were you nervous? Like how did that go down?
Obviously, I was nervous. My first day, I was like a wreck. you know, Looking at the data and about
Seemed overwhelming, huh?
it was overwhelming. I was like, oh my God, how do I go about this? And a new environment and time difference because very, very different. Like I worked like with my mountain time, I start work from 6 in the morning, and by 2 mountain time, I'm done for that day. But you know, it was my first day, first week was you know a little bit rough. You know, being in a new environment and also learning about the data. It took me about 3 months, 3 months and some weeks to be able to understand the data, and working with the data, being able to pull my data and pull some data sometime, put it into my Power BI, and I'll be like, oh my God, is it gonna go or not? you know, it is overwhelming, but one thing I'll say is keep your head up, guys. Um, when you get in, once you make that your one foot in, you're in. Once you make that foot in, you're in, and don't let nothing stop you right now. And I'll tell you, you guys have a lucky of a luxury from Ali. Being able to have you guys in the internship. I'll tell you guys, the internship really helped me a lot when it comes to like even in my like real life job. On the field, it did help me a lot. Working with uh about 3, 4 people from my company, and I've never met them before. I've never know how they work. You know, and being able to get in and get my heads up and have my kickstart. It is overwhelming, but I'll tell you this: keep your head up, keep your head up, don't give up. You have that luxury right now. Take it, learn everything you need to learn. Don't try to well, I say used to let me use the word jump the fence. You know, go with the procedures, and I tell you, you gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Don't stick in those interviews. You go for an interview, you know, interviews you get disappointment, and you didn't make it to the third or the fourth or the second interview. You know, don't give up on that. Keep taking those interviews because the interviews alone is an experience. You're meeting different people every day, doing interviews and, being able to hear some other stuff. You know, I I'll say all interviews I did was like a learning phase for me also. So just, you know, keep doing what you're doing and,
Questions? You guys got questions? Oh, are you still talking? I think he went out for a
no, I'm
little
good.
bit. Okay.
Ooh, I'm good.